Hello, hi, Assalamualaikum, yes, students. So, welcome back to my class, science class. So, this is the second part of the video for week 37. Okay, so let's continue our discussion on the topic of classifying the planets. Okay, so in the first part of the video, I already explained to you about the terrestrial or inner planet, right? Okay, so let's continue. Open your textbook, turn to the page 116 and 117. Okay, so make sure you already copy about the terrestrial planet and also the first part here, right? Alright. Okay, so let's continue. Turn to the page 117. Okay, so look at here, proximity to the suns in comparison with the earth. Okay, so we can also classify planets according to their proximity to the sun as compared to the proximity of the earth to the sun. So Mercury and Venus are closer to the sun than the earth is to the sun. So due to their close proximity to the sun as compared to the earth, they are known as the inferior planets. Okay, so this one Mercury and Venus, we call it inferior planets. So what is meant by inferior planet? Okay, if you look at the science glossary, inferior planet is the planets that are in close proximity to the sun as compared to the earth. So inferior planets are in the terrestrial or inner planets. So look at there, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are further from the sun than the earth is from the sun. So since they are further than the earth from the sun, so they are known as the superior planets. Okay, yeah, actually it's like this lah. Okay, so near to the sun we call it inferior planet. Okay, starting from the here means that further from the sun, okay, from Mars until the Neptune, we call it superior planets. Understand? Okay, next about the presence of planetary rings. Okay, so we also can classify the planets according to the presence of planetary rings. Some planets have ring of rocks and ice surrounding them in space. These rings are called planetary rings. So only the 4 outer planets have planetary rings surrounding them. So actually these 4 planets have ring. Okay, but the obvious one, of course lah, this one. Okay, the beautiful planets. Okay, actually these all 4 planets have ring. Okay, but you cannot see the ring as in Jupiter. Okay, you cannot see Jupiter rings. Okay, but you can see the Saturn ring. Okay, and Uranus is just like this lah. Okay, and actually Neptune also have a ring. Okay, but all of these ring, okay, are made up from rocks and ice. Okay, look at the presence of moon. So another way to classify the planets is through the presence of moon or natural satellites. So natural satellites are small celestial bodies that have fixed orbit around the planet. So Mercury and Venus do not have moon, while all the other planets have at least one moon. Okay, so all the planets have their own moon except Mercury and Venus. Okay, and Earth also have one moon, and the moon we call it Luna. Okay, and other planet also have the moons. Okay, and have the planet more than, and we have the planet that have more than one moon. Okay. Okay, that's cool. Saturn has the largest and most spectacular planetary rings. Okay, if you look at here, Saturn is the only outer planet with ring that can be easily observed using telescope on the Earth. Okay, the rings of Jupiter, Uranus and Neptune are too faint to be easily observed on the Earth. Okay, so the second part of the video, you just need to continue your notes, okay, by using the same wall and width. Okay, just continue. Okay, just draw these 4 planet, outer planet, Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune and Uranus, and then write this notes. Okay, consider be in size, diameter greater than 48,000 km, made up of mainly gases known as the gas planets. Okay, after you finish copying the notes, okay, and I want you do this exercise, your workbook, page 54. Okay, your workbook, page 54. Okay, place a tick in the correct column next to each statement below. Okay, make sure you read first. Okay, and tick the correct one only. Okay. Sorry, you need to tick true or false lah. Okay, so next you need to do this one. Imagine you are able to travel to another planet. How different would it be compared to life on the earth? So write and describe what you will see and find there. Okay, so yeah, you can imagine. Okay, and just write your answer. Okay, about 2 or 3 lines. Okay, so enough. Okay, if you want to write more, yeah, you can. Okay, after that, snap the picture. Okay, and email to me your answer. Okay, so this is my email. Okay, again you need to snap the picture and email to me the answer. Okay, so this is my email, nurulazida92@yahoo.com. Okay, so that's all for this week. Thank you guys.